Hello, and welcome to the 6th lesson of the Bybit 101 course. In this one, we will be talking about Bybit trading bots. Let's get started. We'll first need to understand what does a trading bot actually does. A trading bot is an automated system that sets a series of buy and sell orders at target prices. When the buy target price has been hit, the trading bot executes a buy order, and when the sell target price has been hit, the trading bot executes a sell order. The grid represents the price range which the buy and sell orders will execute. Let me give you an example. Let's say that Bitcoin's price is $10,000, but it has been fluctuating between $11,000 and $9,000 for a long time. We can set a trading bot in the $11,000 and $9,000 interval. After Bitcoin hits the $11,000 mark, it automatically sells and buys at the $9,000 mark. From the Bybit main menu, click on the Trade button and after on Trading Bot. We're having three options: Spot Grid, DCA and Futures Grid. You can choose from over 500 pairs. You can also see the profit that has been made from those strategies in percentages and USD, their running time, and the number of people that use them. The cool thing is that you can copy them for free. Here you can see the price range, the number of grids, and the interval. As the number of grids increases, the trading bot will be more stable and less risky. For this strategy, you will need to invest a minimum amount of 110 USDT. Let's go back and create our own bot. You can choose between AI or manual. Set the lower and higher prices, the number of grids, and your total investment. Click on Create. If you pick manual and you are not sure what the price ranges should be optimal for you, click on the AI strategy. And from there, you're having a reference point. In the next lesson, we will be talking about DCA trading bots and copy trading. I will see you in the next one.